Okay, so we're doing exercise 4. We're starting here at the bottom of the page, reported speech. And we didn't cover that yet, but these exercises are really simple because they are not. In some cases, they are real reported speech, and in some cases, they're just silly exercises. So let's try to do them. They're not that difficult. I didn't sell any secret information, he said. He denied, and deny is connected to ing, so we say he denied selling secret information. So as you see, we are kind of sidestepping the going one step back in time rule. Exercise 2. Let's book tickets for the flight, she said. She suggested buying tickets for the flight. Very easy indeed. Let's have a look at example 3. If you had turned the headlights on, I wouldn't have crashed into you, I said. I told the other driver that if he had turned the lights on, I would not have crashed into him. Because here we have past perfect, and here we have wouldn't have. We cannot go one step back in time when it comes to past perfect because it's already the last and final tense, and wouldn't have crashed. We cannot go one step back in time either. It's just wouldn't have plus third form. Therefore, the answer. Don't forget to thank your aunt for the hospitality, her brother said. Her brother reminded me that I should thank our aunt for her hospitality. Reminded me that I should thank. I'm leaving in 10 minutes, she said. She said she was leaving. Here we say I am leaving. We go one step back in time. She said she was leaving. There you go. Example 6. We have been living here for 10 years. They revealed they had been living there for 10 years. If we have present perfect continuous, we go one step back in time and we land on past perfect continuous. Past perfect continuous. Had been living. It rained really heavily. Bob mentioned that it had rained really heavily. We go one step back in time. It rained. Bob mentioned it had rained. One step back in time. No, you must have another drink, Sally, said Tom. Tom insisted that, you can say that Sally should have another drink, or on Sally's having another drink. On Sally's having another drink. We had similar examples with insist in the past, so this should come as no surprise to you. Example number 9. The new law will be in place soon. The teacher informed us that the new law would be in place soon. Now, will it turns into would in reported speech because we go one step back in time. Don't move or else I will shoot, she shouted. The terrorist threatened to shoot if we moved. Okay, let's maybe try and do exercise 5. Or maybe let's stop here for a second. Let's take a breather, and then we'll get back. I will get back to you with exercise 5 and exercise 6.